Hey guys, it's Joe Glines, and I'm demonstrating another script that I've had in my back pocket. This one, I found it really helpful for when I had scripts I was getting from the forum and just wanted to check out what was inside them. I could easily peek inside them. It's called Parse AHK. It's by Just Me and Torolf, and there's here's the URL to it. So you can, I'll try to remember to put it in there, or I'll put it a link to a guest to it, just so it doesn't get lost. So when you launch it, instead of reading through this, basically, this right now, this is the, I believe this is this file. It shows you peeks into it. But let me show you what happens when I drag in my main script. So I'm gonna drag it onto this GUI, and it tells me, hey, there's 5 functions. So these are the functions in there. I have 60 hotkeys, I have 473 hot strings, and then I have some labels and some other stuff. So I think that's pretty cool that you can get a quick look at what's in there. It's not telling you what they do. Check out I don't know if I did a separate tutorial on it, but I know I've mentioned hotkey help before. That's a great one to show you the actual what they do as well as the hotkeys. But you get an idea of just in my main script, of course, because I have several other scripts that I have running all the time. But in this script alone, I have 60 hotkeys and 473 hot strings. Yeah, and it tells you where they are too, so if you want to jump to it and look at it. But I think it's kind of a cool script, right? It can help you peek inside real quickly, take a look at what what's going to happen on that script, kind of a security thing. So I like the functionality, and it's quick and easy. So is this. Cheers.